ikaw sa kanila muna.
Talaga.
Consistent bawat guesting mo, nandito talaga.
At talaga sa buong buhay ko, ngayon lang naman talaga ako naka-experience ng ganito, Chris. Na talagang the fans really show their love and support. Na yun lang talaga. Kaya laking pasasalamat ko sa inyo. You know, there is a song that I used to sing, I still sing to my children, Jacobo and Aisha, that I think it expresses everything that I want to tell you also. And the song is, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Naiyak ako. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Sweet.
Yun lang ang gusto kong ma-express because like I've always said nga before, they really brought in so much light and life into my life. Just like also my children, my real biological children. And sometimes you're afraid you will lose that as parents. Hindi ba minsan afraid talaga tayo na what if one day they stop loving me? Di ba ganon?